Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I'm laughing because I just filmed this intro but then my battery died, so I'm having to do it again. I've got an unboxing for you and it is the vegan kind. This is the lifestyle box. This has quickly become one of my favourites. This is like a snacky kind of lifestyle box. They also do a beauty box, which I've had. I'll link any videos that I've done up here or down there. I signed up for 3 months for the lifestyle box and that was £36.45 for the 3 months, and I don't know if this is my last one. I think this is my last one, which I'm sad about. If I can afford it again in the future, I will definitely get it again because I've really enjoyed it. I think they have codes on their website for like whatchamacallit, yeah, here you go. Use the code vegan and you get your first box for £5 off your first box. And you can do that off either this lifestyle box or the beauty box. It doesn't matter, you just use the code vegan. That's nothing to do with me, that is just an offer on their box. So let's get in, I'm excited. So let's get in. Right, okay, it says, this box was carefully packed by Dorota and then checked by Heather. Well, hello and thank you. So, got the little thingamy-bob here. You also, every month you get like a little recipe card, which I really like, with a little binder. And then I think on your 6th month with them, you get the binder to put them in, which I think is really nice. So this one is for chickpea mayo sandwich filler, vegan tuna mayo. There is nothing in that sentence that I like. I don't like mayo, don't like tuna, don't like chickpeas, but it's a nice recipe to have for friends that are vegan if they want to come around and I want to make them sandwiches and stuff, so that's nice. Ooh, okay, get off. All right, the first thing I've got is Emily veg thins, sea salt, corn, pea, black bean and red lentil. Oh, I think in a degusta box a while ago we had like a mystery product that was in like a clear bag with no labelling on it, but it said it was a corn, pea, black bean and lentil crisp. And I think, I'll have a look when they open, I think that might be these because they look like they're new. Let's have a look and see if they're a new product. Number 6. Yeah, brand new. Emily veg thins are the first tortilla to have goodness pressed into them. I bet they are. If they are, they were so good. They are. Yeah, because they look so weird. They're like a little nacho, but they're like corn, so they're popped. And you can see they've got black beans and all the good stuff in. They're so salty and yummy. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, like this one's got loads of green in it. I was chatting to someone on Instagram about these and we were just like, oh, I just wish they'd tell us who it was, because they never had. Now we know. Now I need to try and remember who I was chatting to and tell them. That is yummy. Please excuse me. Palate cleanser of a beer. Right, let's move on. Okay, Mackey's haggis and cracked black pepper crisps. Haggis is obviously not vegan, but this is vegan haggis flavour and black pepper. So I like black pepper. I've never had haggis. I don't know what it's meant to taste like. Whether this will taste like haggis but not real, like, because you know, like bacon crisps, like Frazzles. I don't know if Frazzles are, but like Sainsbury's own brand them. They're vegan. So let's have a look. They just smell like pepper crisps. Oh, they're really nice, thick. Ben's gonna want to steal these. Who's in there? No, I'm opening a snack box at the minute. That's them. They are so yummy. They're really thick cut crisps. They're really good. Yes. Very happy with them. Okay. Next up, I've got Zest. I think I got this in a degusta box recently, actually, because I've got some of this in the fridge. And it is vegan pesto. Basil pesto with Brazil nuts, cashew nuts on hazelnuts. It's the leaf of the basil plant, so it's made without dairy cheeses or any other animal products, free from anything artificial, suitable for vegans and veggies, perfect for over gnocchi or spaghetti and garlicky spinach. Me and Ben think it's alright. The kids really don't like it, which is unfortunate. They love pesto, but they really didn't like this one. But it's nice to have in the cupboard as like an emergency pesto. That's good. Oh my god, I've never had this kombucha. No sugar, naturally, ginger and lemon. Oh, has it got caffeine in it? Oh, I don't know what. Let's have a look. I've heard about this. Might get Ben to try this one at the end. Remedy kombucha is a healthy and tasty soft drink, fermenting sweet tea with a live culture. This results in a sparkling live culture drink that contains tea, word I can't pronounce, and organic acids and no sugar. Try a ginger lemon for a guilt-free take on ginger beer. Hot, fiery, and sour and tangy. The perfect tummy tamer. See, I don't believe any of that. People always say ginger helps your tummy. Whenever I've had a bad tummy and had ginger, it's just made me vomit. I'm going to wait till the end and try this and get Ben to come and taste it. And see what he thinks as well. Okay, next up. What are you? Love Raw buttercups. Oh my god, cookie dough. 2 chocolate nut butter filled cups. These look amazing. I just need to say something. I'm Lucy, I'm 36, and I'm addicted to peanut butter cups. I just had to get that out there. So, let's see. Number 4. An irresistible vegan chocolate cup filled with cashew cookie dough filling. Love Raw's vegan buttercups kick ass. Filled with delicious nut butters and no artificial nonsense. 5 epic flavours: peanut butter, salted caramel, cookie dough, hazelnut butter and peanut brownie. Well, I'm going to try one, aren't I? Let's have a look. I always forget vegan chocolate is always dark, and dark chocolate is my favourite. It looks just like a peanut butter cup. It smells amazing. Oh, it does taste like cookie. Oh my god. That's so good. Right. That is amazing. That might be nicer than a peanut butter cup. They are £2.09 for 2 of them. They're very expensive, but they are amazing. I'm saving that because that is so good. Oh my god. Okay, next up we've got Bananito, a solar dried banana bar, dark chocolate and almond crush. Okay, the banana bar sounds gross, but dark chocolate and almond sounds amazing. This says, introducing the UK's first solar dried banana bar. These bars are naturally delicious and totally guilt-free. Nothing added, nothing taken away. It relies solely on the natural sweetness of its key ingredient, the ladyfinger banana from somewhere I can't pronounce, Thailand. I'll put it on the screen. The bars are generously coated in Belgian chocolate and crushed almonds. Let's have a look. Oh, I just hit myself in the nose with it. It smells good. Oh no. No. I need to eat some more of this to get rid of that taste. That is horrible. No. Not that at all. Okay. Oh. Ooh. These are cool. London Apron plant-based meringues. Vegan and gluten-free. That's interesting because obviously belangs. It's late. It's not late. It's 8:30. It's late for me. Meringues are made with egg. Ours is made with aquafaba. Is that how you pronounce it? I think it is. You'd be forgiven for not realising these meringues are made 100% natural vegan ingredients and refined sugar and aquafaba create a light and airy meringue, while vanilla extract adds luxurious, indulgent flavour. Let's have a look. Okay, they're not the same texture as meringues because look, you can squish it. That's not a bad thing, but meringues like crumble. It's nice, but I'd say it's more like a marshmallow. Yeah, they're nice. I wouldn't call them a meringue. I'm sure in terms of a vegan meringue, they are a very, very good one. But compared to an actual meringue, no crunch, but they're yummy. The whole box has 89 calories, which is amazing. That's really, really good. So that's nice. And then last up, we've got some Ecozone multi-surface bacterial wipes, multi-surface antibacterial wipes, 100% biodegradable. They're really nice. I do love a biodegradable wipe. These are £2.49. Aloe vera and cucumber scented antibacterial multi-surface wipes. Resealable packet. No need to use a dry cloth to finish up, as these eco wipes have a fast, dry action formula, guaranteeing your surfaces are left clear, sparkling, sanitised and free from harmful bacteria. These sweet smelling wipes are 100% biodegradable and biodegrade in just 12 weeks. That's good. Tough on grease and reduce and residues, alcohol free and kills 99% of bacteria including E. coli, Listeria, Salmonella and MRSA. That's really cool. I'm very happy with them. Okay. Apart from the gross banana thing, everything else is so good. If you can give a bit of the cookie bar. I'm gonna get Ben to come in and try some stuff. Do you want to try some snacks? Snacks. Snacks. Snacks.
You some good snacks?
I did. Not bad. I've had these before in the goose box. Nice and salty. We've got another jar of pesto.
This doesn't look very tasty.
No, that's the only thing that's not. Haggis crisps, but they're vegan. They're really nice thick cut. Aren't they? Taste like black pepper.
Yeah, they don't really taste like haggis.
I don't know what haggis tastes like.
Like spiced mint.
Look at this. These are meringues, but vegan meringues. They're really good. But they're like more like
Marshmallows.
yeah, they taste really good.
See how small we can get.
Yeah. They taste like marshmallow.
No, it's a Murray mint.
But they taste nice. But there's a drink I want you to try. I don't want your reaction on camera. I'm going to try it as well. Not annoying at all.
Quite nice.
Is it? Mm-hmm. Oh, it stinks.
Put this up your nose.
No. Oh, no, you can have that. I'm not putting it out my nose. But they're nice, aren't they? But they are like meringues. They're like marshmallows rather than meringues.
No, not quite. Cross.
But they're yummy. 89 calories in the whole box.
I don't know if I've had a texture like that.
No, but they're nice. So yeah, that was the Vegan Kind snack box for March 2020. Yeah, all round good box apart from the banana thing. That was gross. Does it say, he's literally just crumbled that meringue everywhere. It's like now just completely covered. Oh yeah, just say keep your recipe cards in a safe place because your 6 months of your subscription you will be able to claim your free binder, or you can buy one for $3.99. You just pay for postage, so that's good. I am going to eat the other one of these. I'm pretty sure Ben's going to come in and steal them. Really happy with the box. I am sad that I think this is my last one because I really do like this box. I think it's really good. But yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys.